Hello, and welcome to this first lecture of this new section, new topic on building excellence in data analysis and analytics. So, in this new section, we will take you through a in-depth view of building excellence in data analysis and analytics. And we will begin by talking about defining what is excellence in data analysis and data analytics in this lecture. So, what do you think? What is excellence in data analysis and data analytics? Any thoughts that you have? See, excellence in data analysis and data analytics means achieving high impact insights, accuracy, efficiency, and innovation through data driven decision making, right? So you decide based on the data, and that helps you do all these things innovatively, efficiently, accurately, and with high impact, right? So that is excellence in data analysis and analytics. So key things are like innovation, accuracy, high impact, and efficiency. And that is relation to excellence. Now, what does it involve? It involves, optimizing processes of your data-driven decision making, uncovering hidden patterns in the data, and enabling smarter business strategy with precision and effectiveness. So you need to have some kind of loop therein from the business people or the people who are using your data to build that excellence in your data analysis and analytics. Now, what are the key pillars of excellence in data analysis and analytics? Any thoughts? Anything that you know? Let's take a look at these pillars. So first is, data quality and integrity. Now, accurate, complete, and clean data ensures trustworthy insights because you want to get insights that you can trust, you can commit your business resources for that. So you need to get accurate, complete, and clean data. Second thing would be to implement data governance policies, you know, to eliminate inconsistency in your processes and outputs. And third, in terms of data quality and integrity, you can do is to use the process of ETL, extract, transform, and load. Use the ETL processes to structure data efficiently because you can do this ETL process in two ways. One, inefficiently, ineffectively, in which you're very, very far away from excellence. And if you do effectively and efficiently, you are closer to excellence. Example, Google ensures search algorithms improve by refining and verifying billions of data points every day. So that's how Google maintains data quality and integrity in its data analysis and analytics. The second pillar is is of advanced analytical techniques. Now, what you need to do is there is to leverage descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, and prescriptive analytics for deeper insights, right? And in that you can use machine learning, AI, and statistical models to forecast trends. And to come to the final conclusions in terms of what you should do, then you can do A/B testing and hypothesis validation to you improve your decision making. Ultimately, it's all about making effective and efficient decisions, right? So you'll have to do all these things and test them to validate your hypothesis and A/B testing to say that the recommendation that you're making are the right one. Netflix recommendation engine, uses deep learning methods to personalize user experiences, driving 80% of the content views. So you can use such advanced analytical techniques to get excellent results. The third pillar is the business-centric decision making. Now, this involves translating raw data into actionable insights. So raw data, which could be unclean, inconsistent, etc., etc. You need to use the ETL process to translate that into actionable insights that aligns with the business goal. So your actionable insights must meet the business requirement. And the second thing you can do to business-centric decision making is to enable, data-driven decision making with real-time dashboards and KPIs. So that's the second thing you can do. And while doing all that, you need to remember to provide ROI focus insights for marketing, sales, and operations who are going to be your major customers if you're working in a business. Again, an example, Starbucks uses predictive analytics, right? We saw that earlier to tailor promotions, boost customer retention by 25%. So they're able to improve their customer retention by 25%, as we saw earlier, by using predictive analytics. And that's what you need to do to make use of this third pillar of business centric decision making for excellence. The fourth pillar is automation and scalability. You need to implement automated reporting and real-time analytics. You need to ensure systems handles the large-scale data efficiently. And you can use cloud-based analytics for seamless scalability. If you do well, if your data works well, if you get great insights, your operations will scale up, right? And you must be ready for that. You cannot say, oh, now at this scale, I cannot provide you analysis. Amazon, for example, optimizes its inventory and supply chain, as we saw earlier, by predicting demand using AI, and that helped them reduce storage costs by 30%. So automation and scalability is important. The another pillar is the data storytelling and visualization. Now that there you can transform complex data that is represented here into clear, compelling narratives. Because ultimately it's all about storytelling. And in storytelling and visualization, you can use interactive dashboards and visualization for decision makers. So ultimately, everything that you're doing is for decision makers. So you need to use interactive dashboards and visualization for them. And in this whole process of storytelling and visualization, you can communicate insights with clarity for stakeholder engagement. Now, another example of that would be Airbnb. Now, Airbnb uses dynamic dashboards, real-time dashboards, to analyze pricing strategies and customer demand in real time and optimizes the pricing across the globe. So that's how you can use data storytelling and visualization. Pillar is the ethical and responsible data use. Now, in that, you need to ensure privacy, security, and compliance to laws like GDPR, CCPA, etc. You also need to make sure that you are using, AI ethically to ensure prevention in data biases, right? So ethical use of the AI in data analysis is critical, and you need to be transparent in data-driven decision. So a transparency data-driven decision is again an important thing. Now, it'll be good to know, for you to know that Apple prioritizes privacy-focused data analytics over Google and others to improve customer trust without compromising security. So, what makes data analysis analytics excellent? Let's summarize that. The first one is the accuracy, data quality. And that helps you provide insights that can be trusted by the business or the decision maker to commit the resources. Second is to use advanced analytics in AI because they provide you smarter predictions, faster, more effective, iteratively done. Then the third pillar is the business driven insights. You need to provide insights that are requirements of business and that will provide strategic impact. The fourth pillar is you must be able to automate and scale for efficiency and growth in future. Then you must be able to convert your data into a compelling story that can help your decision makers make better decisions. And finally, whatever you do must be ethical and you must be using data responsibly. So these are the various things, 6 things that you can use for making excellence in data analysis and analytics. So what do we do next? So having defined what is data excellence and data analytics excellence and data analysis excellence, we will now look at how to build this excellence in real life. And how can you build for yourself? How can you build in the company that you work in or in an organization that you work in? That's what we will focus in next set of lectures, next sets of lectures. Right? So thank you so much for watching this first lecture on building excellence data analysis and analytics. I hope you're continuing to learn new things, continuing to enjoy, and I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer your questions, and do download the PDF file to take a look at anything that you need to.